What is ADVAIR DISKUS 250/50 used for? ADVAIR DISKUS 250/50 is a twice-daily prescription medicine used long-term to treat chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, including chronic bronchitis, emphysema, or both, for better breathing and fewer flare-ups. ADVAIR HFA is not approved for the treatment of COPD. ADVAIR is not used to relieve sudden breathing problems from asthma or COPD and won't replace a rescue inhaler. ADVAIR DISKUS is a prescription medicine used to treat asthma in patients 4 years and older. ADVAIR HFA is a prescription medicine used to treat asthma in patients 12 years and older. ADVAIR is not for adults and children with asthma who are well controlled with an asthma control medicine, such as an inhaled corticosteroid, ICS, medicine. ADVAIR is for adults and children with asthma who need both an ICS and long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist, LABA, medicine.